Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you already seen the title that what to do when you get bored. There is one thing common between you and me, that we all get bored, right? We all get bored and we all get stuck at some point of time that we don't know what to do. So today I'll share you 8 important tricks which we can able to overcome the boredom. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Number 1, change your physical state. See, whenever you get bored, just go for a walk, just go for a gym, just go for some exercises, because it will change your state of mind. Don't sit in the same place. Just go outside and do something, because it will change your state of mind suddenly. And number 2, update your resume. As you know that resume is one of the basic thing to get into your job. Most of the time we forget to update our resume. So it's been very long that I believe that each and everyone who's seeing this video, especially the students, it's been a 6 months or 1 year that we never updated our resume. And it's time to update your resume. Just get into one skill, just learn some new skill and update your resume. Number 3, look for a place to volunteer. So as you know that everybody is unique and everybody has some talent. In fact, the Mahatma Gandhi says the best way to find yourself is that lose yourself in the service of others. This quotation gives you powerful meaning about the volunteering. So whatever the skills you have, just go for a volunteer. There are so many volunteer organizations. In fact, I already involved in 2 NGOs. One is Proud Indian, one is AWO. So both are does social activities. And number 4, sign up for a class. I believe that especially when you study in college, you bunked most of the classes. But I am saying sign up for a class. What do you mean by that? See, there are so many things to learn in this 21st century, especially the latest trends, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, big data, Hadoop and Spark developer. So many technologies are there. Learn about this technology. There are so many platforms who are teaching these skills, especially the Khan Academy, Coursera, Unacademy. Update yourself with the current trends. And number 5, update yourself with the current affairs. Sometimes we are so much mixed up with ourselves that we never understand what's happening in our surroundings. It's time to look for the society. See what's happening in your society. See what's happening in your area, in your local place. See what's happening in your city. See what's happening in the state level, what's happening in the central level. Just get to know. Just update yourself with the current affairs. Current affairs is one of the most important thing. And number 6, listen to a good music. I believe that sometimes music is the best medicine of mind. Listen to some good music, it will change your mind altogether. Recently I read a newspaper that when we get the news of SPB sir, when I heard that SPB sir is no more, I just researched about his life and I found that in his entire lifetime, he sung around 40,000 plus songs. That means if you can able to listen one song per day, it will take around 110 years to complete that 40,000 songs. So listen to some good music because it will change your mind altogether. Number 7, meditate. So as you know that meditation is one of the best thing which will help you to your brain and your mind. Most of the time we never do the meditation, right? So it's time to inculcate that habit in your life right now. So every day do at least 5 minutes of meditation, which will change your state of mind. And more importantly, you will become joyful person. You will become more strong from within. You will become more strong from within. You will become joyful person. I recommend each and everybody who is watching this video at least 5 minutes a day start meditating from right now. And number 8, learn the skill which you're passionate about and learn the skill which you always wanted to learn. And this is the best time here. This pandemic time is the best time. In fact, if you're good in singing, dancing, music, or if you thought of learning a new language, just start the process. In fact, I started learning the Hindi. So Hindi basically, I know nothing about Hindi, even though it was the 3rd language of my subject. Over a period of time, I will become master in Hindi. That's what my commitment is. Do like this video, share your perspective in the comment section and subscribe to this channel so that you will get much more amazing content which is